Hi everyone.
Okay, wait. Where did we buy this from?
Somewhere in the universe.
Hey, wait, we bought it from Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
The airport.
Yeah. We bought it from Hong Kong.
It was slightly cheaper, so if you're going to Hong Kong, right, can buy Pop Mart stuff at the airport.
They won't just fly all the way to Hong Kong just to buy those Pop Mart stuff. So if you tell them, there's no reason to tell them.
If you are already going to Hong Kong, Pop Mart is at the airport.
Okay.
You know,
They
by
want to
the way,
waste
by
their
the way.
Nobody even watches our videos, they don't know.
You don't be so you see, we're on the way to get the silver color thing. Hey, can you sit down properly? Okay, wait.
We only got like 10 views in one video, and the only like is me and mommy, and maybe Sarah.
Yeah, we start from humble beginnings. Okay.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, so today we have
Humble
the
beginnings.
monsters.
Humble beginnings.
The monsters Whacky Mart.
I want the prawn only.
And
I hope we get the prawn because I need the prawn.
Space Molly, you want which one?
I want this one, looks like the prawn.
What prawn?
I want the prawn, it's Mao Mao.
Okay, show. What are the difference? No, what the difference?
Between
No, what are the
this and
different?
Space Molly
different.
is
This one, the
this
different characters.
Never tell me earlier. I thought the difference between Whacky Mart and Space Molly.
Okay, can you show people the difference first? Yeah, I think the onigiri is quite nice.
I think Zhe got the wait. I don't know.
Or the corn.
The corn is the ugliest thing in the world. I want this shrimp only, okay? You have nothing to see. I only want the shrimp. We are focusing on the shrimp today.
Okay, wait. It's time. Okay, are you ready? Okay, you go first. You want to open which one first?
I'm going to open this. I need the shrimp. Okay.
You gonna eat, is it?
I got. Oh no, I don't think it's the shrimp. Oh no, it's not the shrimp. I think it's the lunchbox again. Oh no. Yeah, it's definitely the lunchbox. It's a square and it's hard. Oh, it's the milk! But it's still ugly. You can sell the milk on Carousel. Wait.
So sad.
Guys.
The guy just came out from his box and he's going to get sold.
What? What?
The toy just came out from the box, then like he immediately is going to get sold. He's going to be so sad.
Yeah, exactly. Guys, you see? You can fix him in.
Yeah, I think this one this one might be a sandwich or onigiri. Okay, you see
Sandwich huh?
Okay.
I think you can take the onigiri.
Hey, wait.
Is it a circle? You want just faster go and open it. You squish
It's a grilled sausage. Is it?
No, it's a cup noodle.
Oh, it's a cup noodle. Hey, it's not quite cute.
Okay, you can take him. He's quite ugly.
Okay, I'll show. Cup noodle. Okay, hurry. Okay, open the next one. Molly. Which one you want?
I want a lot of stuff. I want mint chocolate. And this and this and Coca-Cola and I want, you know what, I only want mint, okay, the most.
Okay, that makes more sense because just now when you were saying 3 different things, right, I'm going to tell you like there's only one thing in the box. Cannot be 3. Okay, come on, open.
I mean, like that or like that.
Yeah, you said N.
I want something and something, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Like, ayo.
Okay, let's go. Is there a card inside? Hey, wait.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, there's a card inside.
Yeah, obviously you don't know. 3, 2, 1.
What's that?
It's this.
Hey, this is the main character. It's on the box. It's on the
I
front
got
of the box.
banana 2017, bro. I don't need banana 2017. Guys, I just wasted my money on banana 2017.
Hey, can you take out the card?
It's so ugly.
So nice.
Oh yeah, nah, it's for you.
Milk.
We got gun. Can I open the gun? Okay, good. I will open the gun. This is the gun.
It comes with a card also.
I know, but it's so ugly. I don't want that. You can get it.
Okay. Very
Wait,
happy
we're not
with
done.
the very nice.
I didn't say I'm happy.
I know. I said I'm very happy with the very nice items that we got, like cup noodle and
Okay, good for you.
milk.
How to put this gun in? Huh? 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 This gun cannot be fitted in, but okay. I don't know why.
Okay,
Okay, anyways,
we're done. See ya.
wait. Bye. Bye.